Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to combine data from multiple tables in Excel using Power Query. Let's get started. Start by converting each dataset into a table. Select the data from your first worksheet. Press Ctrl+T to turn it into a table, and give it a clear name, for example, Year 2022. Repeat this for the other two datasets, naming them Year 2023 and Year 2024. Next, go to the Data tab and select from Table or Range to bring the first table into Power Query. Once it loads, go to Close and Load To, and choose Only Create Connection. This keeps the data connected without loading it back to Excel. Repeat this process for the other two tables, creating connections for 2023 and 2024 as well. Once you have finished creating connections for all the tables in your worksheet, you can see the Queries and Connections pane on the right. You can double-click any of the queries to access the Power Query editor again. Go to the Home tab in Power Query and select Append Queries as New. Since we're combining more than two tables, select 3 or more tables, then add the rest and click OK. Back in Excel, go to Close and Load To again, and this time create a pivot table in a new worksheet. Drag in the SKU and sales columns, but you'll notice it only sums everything together across all years. To break this down by year, we need a way to identify where each row of data came from. Let's add a year column directly to each table. Go back to the first table, add a new column named Year, and type 2022 for every row. Do the same for 2023 and 2024. Once you have finished adding the year to each table, head to the Data tab and click Refresh All to update everything. Now go back to your pivot table. Drag the year field into the columns area, and just like that, you can see your sales broken down by year. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.